Hi everyone, my name is Juliet. I'm one of your Neuro Navigators, and welcome back to our series on ways to practice neuroscience skills in your free time for free. Today's tip is to become a Microsoft Excel expert. This is especially important for incoming students because if you are enrolled in a general chemistry course or a bio course or any lab course your first quarter, one of the first things that you'll do is use Excel in these labs. So it can be very helpful if you have a little bit of preparation beforehand, and of course your professors will teach you, but it's nice to have a little bit of experience going in. But even if you're already progressing in your college career, it's still valuable to learn Excel tips because Excel will stay with you throughout your academics and your professional career, and the sooner you learn skills with it, the better off you'll be. Now, remember, I'm recommending this tip as something to practice in your free time, and so it should be fun, it should not be stressful. How do we make Excel learning entertaining? Well, I recommend that you choose a data set that you're actually interested in. There are a lot of open access data sources on the internet. I'll put some ideas at the end of the video, but you can find anything, and basically anything with a .csv or a .xls file will be easy to experiment on and easy to open in the program Excel. For example, I could go to, let's say, the CDC's COVID data tracker website and download maybe their emergency department visit data from the US in the past few years and experiment with that to learn more about COVID's progression. Or another completely different option is to generate your own data, maybe from tracking a sport team that you like, or maybe from doing a survey of your friends. Once you have data that you're interested in, you can experiment with it on your own, or you can use free online Excel tutorials to learn new things. I'll link a couple tutorials at the end of this video as well, but there are countless options on the internet. I challenge you to use Excel calculations to produce statistics, to format data tables professionally, to code different equations, and to create and customize your graphs and charts for data presentation. Reflecting on my personal experience, I especially wish I had focused on learning to customize graphs and charts in Excel earlier, because there were plenty of times freshman year when I was trying to hurry and finish a chem lab report, and I just wanted to make my data look more professional and communicate the results more clearly, but I didn't know the few clicks that I needed to make it happen. So having Excel skills like this in your tool belt prior to situations like that actually occurring will save you a lot of time and a lot of stress and help you produce higher quality work overall. Lastly, as you practice Excel techniques, challenge yourself to think critically about how each technique can actually be implemented. For example, ask questions like, how are different statistics and graphs better for certain types of situations versus other types of data? Or maybe what's the clearest way to present data with different statistical trends? Or especially, what types of charts or statistics could be used to manipulate or misrepresent data in ways that we should be critical of and watch out for as scientists? These are the types of questions that will make you a better scientist at the same time that you're becoming much more competent in Excel. Okay, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for listening. See the next slide for some links and resources, and I'll see you later. Bye.